Hello everyone, we said in the last video. ChatGPT is used for automated analysis, the principle of operating robots, lots of private messages. Where can I download this robot? Haven't seen it yet? You can go back to our previous videos. In this issue, we will evaluate this robot. Let's see if AI is really amazing. Before the test, let's see how this robot operates. We come to the remix picture. We click Accept, Next, Done. OK, then we open the file corner. GPT Sol. OK, so this is the code for the robot that we're going to deploy. We copy. Paste. OK. Then on the far left we connect the third button. We choose our compiler. Our compiler has to choose the same compiler as our contract. We choose first 0.5.0 this compiler. Then we click Compile. We see this little green tick. It means the compilation has been completed. Then we click the fourth button on the far left. Deploy button. Then we choose our build environment. We choose MetaMask here. If you connect for the first time, this will pop up. Ask you to go to MetaMask to authorize to connect. Then you can see the connection here. Then there is the network that chooses Ethereum here. OK, if you connect correctly, it will show your address and your balance. We have 1.1 Ethereum in this wallet. OK, let's move on. We click the little arrow next to deploy. It pops up in 3 places. We're going to enter some parameters into it. First position, we use Ethereum to buy and sell. So we enter S. The second location is our server, API for GPT train service, and the key in the GPT API. We will use the trial version of the API and key. Our trial version offers to free users. It can run for 24 hours per use. OK, then we will paste both the API and key on it. Attention! Do not leave any spaces in this API and key. OK, then our next step. Click the Trade button. OK, MetaMask will pop up. We can deploy this contract for a little gas. See this little arrow? We deployed the contract successfully, and here comes the contract that we just deployed. Next, we click the little arrow next to the contract. We see 3 buttons. The first button is to run the contract. The second button is to get the list of token. New token list. The third is to look at our remaining usage times. We click the copy button next to the contract. Copy the contract address we just deployed. Next, inside our MetaMask, put the principal we want to run the robot. Send it to this robot. Click Send. Paste the address. We are running 1 ETH this time. Remember, reserve some ETH in the wallet as a handling fee. We click Next. Confirm. Wait until it is sent to this contract. After sending it to the contract, you will see that this contract has 1 ETH. We recommend running this robot. Use at least 0.5 ETH. To run the robot, Of course, the more principal you have, the more profit you will make. Okay, next we click on the new token list. After clicking this button, it goes to the CoinMarketCap. Grab the latest token list. Okay, click this to see us. Number of times remaining. Okay, so here's the last step. We click Action to run the robot. MetaMask will pop up. So we confirm. See the little green tick? Represents has successfully run the robot. Use the version every time you run it. It will run out and trade for 24 hours. After hours, if there are still some orders that have not been position squaring, it will continue to monitor until all positions are squaring. One transaction is completed. This is a one-time transaction. The official version does not have this restriction. Okay, let's check it out tomorrow. What does this robot achieve? Dear friends, I'm back. After 26 hours, let's see the GPT automated trading robot we ran yesterday. Are you back? We click on the MetaMask wallet. Oh, it's back. Our wallet now has 1.69 Ethereum. We were 1.1 Ethereum yesterday, so we earned 0.59 Ethereum. If you want to continue running this contract, we can check it first. The number of contracts we can use now. There is another one to use now. Then we follow the previous steps. Copy the contract address. Then we send the Ethereum principal. This robot. Then we click on this new token list. Come and get the latest token address. And then we're going to run the robot. That's it. So that's it for our current video. What's the problem you don't understand or want to buy the official version? Welcome to contact me by Telegram. See you in the next video.